Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I will walk you through on how to get logged into your FlexPOS account. Follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now let's get started. Now the first thing you need to do is to open up any web browser on a PC. Now search for FlexPOS login. Now tap on the very first link from the search result. And once you tap on it, you will directly taken to its login page. Now, in order to change this Danish into English, you have to pick this English language here. And there tap on the small cross here. And now type in your store or your customer number. And in the second box, you have to type in your username. And lastly, you have to type in your account password. Now, if your store number, username and password you have typed in are correct, this login box will pop up on your screen. And once that login box pop up on your screen, tap on login button. Now that was the quick and easy video on how to get logged into your FlexPOS account. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now that's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.